Coming at you live. You believe this? Yesterday the snow was all gone. Now it's all back again. Nixon, look at this waterfall. Nixon, look at this. Good boy, come on. Come on. Yesterday it was all gone, this snow. Now it's back again. Nixon. Came here yesterday with him and it was not a drop of snow here. If you go back and look at my video from yesterday, you'll see it. Not a drop of snow here. Lake is all unfrozen. This guy eats the snow. Stop it. Stop it. It's pretty out. They say, let's see what time it is. 3 o'clock. They say in an hour from now it's going to stop. Anyone wants to know, that's the Casio 5600E. Great watch. Nixon to the dog park. Once again in the snow. Hey, stop eating the snow. He eats the snow like I don't know, like it was ice cream. Hey, come on, you want to go in the park? Quick video here. Look at this. Winter Wonderland. March 9th. It's almost going into spring. Nixon, wait. All right, come on. Enough of this pulling. Stay there. Stay there. Stay. Said enough. Go. Look at him. Opens up the gate himself. Take a quick video. Let him run around and get some exercise. Lake is all unfrozen. I'll tell you, I was up here. No one will believe me. Yesterday, there wasn't a drop of snow here. It clears up and boom. Nixon, show him your toy. Come on. Come on. Come on. There he is. Rain, shine, or snow, here he is. Come on. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that thing. Give me that thing. Give me that. Get it. Go get it.